Welcome to the club group. Today we want to present you our new skin shooter, our Mesodoctor, an innovation in your institute. Moreover, we present you our new clinical care range. You can choose between 6 different serums for cabin use and for use at home. Also, your customer can choose between 2 different home care emulsions, a light one for normal to oily skin and a rich one for dry skin. First, it's important to clean the skin accurately. For this purpose, you can use the products of your clean and active range. Then you decide which kind of peeling you want to use. Before you start to work with the skin shooter, put the cathode in the right hand of your customers. It's important that the customer puts his hand around the cathode completely. The cathode has to be during the whole session in the hand of the client. After skin diagnostic, choose the right serum and put the cartridge in the shooter. The skin shooter works with bipolarity flow and supports the short-term opening of the microchannels of the skin and the penetration of proactive serum shoots. Start with one side of the face, then change to the other, and afterwards switch to neck and décolleté. By way of pressing on top of the cartridge, the serum is applied on the skin. Then, please put the skin shooter into operation. Before starting use of the skin shooter, the following steps need to be observed. I would recommend to work about 20 minutes on the face and 10 minutes on neck and décolleté. You can regulate the intensity by choosing from 9 different steps. Start always on the cheek with intensity 1. Work always in little circular movements and as slowly as possible. It's important that the customers feel well all the time. You can measure the success of the treatment when the customer gets a feeling on the skin as if it treated with small needles, but always without pain. For the best results, you have to change the intensity for the different areas of the face. choosing the intensity for the mouth area, turn to the cheek. If it's necessary, use a higher intensity for the cheek area, but work still in a slow way. Remain in the same face area for a certain period of time. By way of pressing to the cartridge, you can apply the whole time the serum on the skin. Work on the forehead, and of course, you can work carefully around the eyes contour. Please work always with a high concentration and change the intensity on the different face areas. The forehead and the mouth area are more sensitive than the cheeks. After 10 to 12 minutes, change the other side of the face and work in the same way. It's necessary to inquire with the customer again to decide which intensity is the best to use. The two sides of the face can have a different sensibility. Apply again the serum on the skin before you put the shooter into operation. Then start our skin shooter. Start again on the cheek. Turn carefully to the mouth area with intensity 1. Work always in a slow way. When treating the cheek area, ask your client whether she would to prefer a higher intensity for better results. Always work with a high concentration and don't forget to change the intensity in the different face areas. Work also about 10 to 12 minutes. When you have finished the face treatments, turn to the neck and décolleté for 10 to 12 minutes. For the whole treatment, neck, face and décolleté, you need about 30 minutes. For the whole treatment, you need a cartridge with 6 milliliters. By doing so, you will achieve the best results. After this treatment, use one of our new clinical care emulsion. This is our our finish care. And of course, the perfect care for use at home. Apply it softly on the skin. The skin looks rosy and fresh. For best results, it's necessary to use the serum for the home care and the recommended emulsion. The skin shooter solves different skin problems: impurity, lack of moisture, skin aging, rednessing, slackness. Solve these problems and give your customer a brightness and fresh skin. The skin looks rosy, fresh, and the empty moisture depots are filled up. Lead your client to a new skin feeling.